Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a kind of an odd Swiss Army knife. This one is the Wenger Director, and this is one of the Wenger 85mm Swiss Army knives. A little bit smaller than the traditional Victorinox 91s. And, well, let's just say Wenger made some choices, and I don't know, I can't say the choices are all bad, but they're definitely unusual. So let's take a look at the Director. So the Director, on the back, it's got the usual Phillips head screwdriver, and it's got an awl, which is a pretty standard Wenger awl. On the front side, it's got the bottle opener and wire stripper that is fairly common on Swiss Army knives. It's got the super mean looking Wenger can opener. It's got their magnifying glass and small flathead screwdriver. It's got scissors, if I can get them out. It's got scissors. Man, why do I have the worst time with scissors? It's got scissors, and these are the Wenger scissors, and they don't have a spring here. They have this little arm. You have a small nail file, and then you have the large Wenger blade. And if you remember, with the Wenger blades, they tend to be more flared out in the middle here, and well, a teeny bit shorter. The thing that makes this such an odd knife is this part right here, and I don't know if I'm going to even be able to show it all on camera. It's got a pointer to point to things. So it's got a pointer so you can point to things. So yeah, or maybe direct a concert. Maybe that's what it's for. I kind of figured it was just to point at things, but maybe it's if you want to conduct a concert. Does that mean if you want to conduct a concert you need two of these? Or do you just use one to conduct a concert? Anyway. It's kind of a weird choice for a Swiss Army knife. But it's one of the things that's really made me initially I didn't like Wenger. I was a hardcore Victorinox fan. But the weird stuff kind of grows on me. And I mean, I do get a kick out of the whole, you have a pointer. Anyway, so what do y'all think? Is this for pointing at things at a business meeting, or is this for directing like a symphony? I don't know. The name being a director, in hindsight, it makes me a little suspicious. Anyway, this is a weird one. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check out more information about this particular Swiss Army knife. It is very much discontinued considering Wenger's out of business. And I suspect that Victorinox was like, I think we're good without having a little extendable baton pointer thing for our Swiss Army knives. But it's cool nonetheless. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Is the weird pointer thing the thing you absolutely need on your Swiss Army knife? Or is it the kind of thing that you probably would survive without? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any suggestions for anything cool that I should check out, you can let me know down there too. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.